Hi friends, welcome to All About Home. Today we are going to see a popular seafood recipe, fish puttu.
Usually we make this with shark. We call it as Sura Puttu. But today I am making with some fish fillets. Let's start. Here I took a pan, pour some water and bring to boil. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder and the fish fillets. If you are using shark, boil it in the same way and peel the skin, then mash it. Once the fish cooked, drain the water and mash the fish with hand or a masher. To this, add 1½ teaspoon of chili powder, 1½ teaspoon of coriander powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix all these together. Now add salt to taste and mix. Take a pan, add 3 to 4 teaspoons of oil. Now I am adding a teaspoon of mustard with little urad dhal, 1 cup finely chopped onion, saute this for a minute. Then add some curry leaves. Now the onion turns transparent. Add 10 garlic cloves finely chopped. Saute till it turns golden brown. Now add the fish mixture. Roast this in low flame till the puttu comes together and turns a nice golden color. It will get slightly crisp on the edges. Now it's done. Garnish with some fresh coriander leaves. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.